And now, your first alert weather.
It's been another hot one today as expected. Temperatures reaching into those mid-90s. We've got a few more clouds out there here for this afternoon as we're starting to pick up on more of that monsoonal energy rolling in from the south, and we'll see the thunderstorm threat pick up again here for tonight. But we're looking for more thunderstorms and some scattered thunderstorms and showers arriving here for Friday, Saturday, and continuing a bit into Sunday. The northern lights are still going to be close, but they're further north this evening, and I didn't get any reports of people seeing them late last night. I suspected it was going to be a little tough around here with the smoke and the haze, and typically we don't get a good showing around here for eastern Idaho and western Wyoming. You have to get far away from the city lights, and you have to look to the north horizon. You might see a little hint of that green light there on the north horizon between midnight and 4 a.m. getting into early Friday. But let's get back to the weather outlook with the thunderstorm threat. This could also play a factor in the northern lights outlook tonight because I'm looking at more clouds tonight and a few thunderstorms still kicking around the region. We got most of the thunderstorms right now confined to the western reaches of Wyoming, Grand Teton, Yellowstone National Park, and a little bit around Jackson. We've also had a few rumbles of thunder here into the southeastern mountains of Idaho, getting around places like Marsh Valley, Aramo, and also been seeing a few threatening clouds around Pocatello, but we really haven't picked up any moisture in the Snake River Plain. It's still very dry here at the surface, so it's going to take a bit before we can actually saturate the atmosphere and pull in more of this moisture, which is on its way coming in here from the south. You can see the clouds tonight streaming in, more of these thunderstorms on the way here for your Friday and Saturday, with the ridge of high pressure still pushing the jet stream to the north here for Friday. That's allowing the heat to roll in along with that thunderstorm trail getting in here for the next couple of days. Smoke is also going to be an issue, but you'll notice that the heavy plumes of smoke still favoring central and areas of western Idaho, also getting into areas of the Panhandle. For the Snake River Plain and areas of western Wyoming, yeah, we're going to have a little bit of that haze and smoke outside, but it's not going to be as bad as what we've seen in the past. Temperatures tomorrow peaking into the upper 80s, lower 90s, just a smidge cooler tomorrow, and of course those thunderstorms could really play havoc with those daytime highs. Speaking of which, we'll go to Vipercast right now, and late tonight through tomorrow we start to see the clouds stream in. There's a chance for some morning showers and thunderstorms out towards Twin and Boise, and then we'll start seeing more of this stuff spreading in here close to home. The pop-up thunderstorms really start to take hold, especially in the mountains around 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow, and then as we get into the evening, we could see some stronger cells of energy. You see some red there on Vipercast indicating the potential for some strong thunderstorm cells to be rolling through the region, and more of these thunderstorms to pop in as we go into late night hours for Friday, clearing out for Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. Yeah, more spotty hit and miss thunderstorms. Now again, these thunderstorms are going to be very hit and miss. Not everybody will see the moisture, but there's a good possibility of unsettled conditions for the next couple of days. Yellowstone, decent chance of thunderstorms. Highs will be hitting the 70s, lows into the 40s. Elsewhere, temperatures were at 87 in Preston and Malad, with 84 for Lava. Highs in Rexburg at 90 in St. Anthony, with the low 80s in Jackson. Central Idaho, I got 95 for Salmon, mid 80s in Mackay, and Idaho Falls should top off around 90 tomorrow, with 91 in Pocatello. Here's your 8-day. We'll start with Jackson. Look for temperatures falling back into the low 80s for Saturday and Sunday with scattered thunderstorms. The thunderstorm threat will continue into next week with highs in the lower 80s, with overnight lows falling back to the mid 40s. Salmon, a couple thunderstorms out there, but central Idaho is going to be a little drier over the next couple of days compared to the rest of our region. Highs this weekend in Salmon should be about 92 and 93. Blackfoot will have a high of 90 for tomorrow, 87 for Saturday. A couple thunderstorms thrown in there for Sunday and Monday, but the thunderstorm risk is looking very light for the start of the work week. Rexburg, 90 for the high for Friday afternoon, with 87 for the high on Saturday and Sunday. With Pocatello seeing highs here in the upper 80s, low 90s for Friday and Saturday. Temperatures will start to, I would say, will stay steady, fall a little bit into the early part of next week, but we're going to be into the upper 80s, low 90s through the rest of that 8-day outlook, with Idaho Falls seeing highs here in the upper 80s, low 90s range for the next couple of days. Some scattered thunderstorms, especially for the afternoon and evening hours. Slight chance of a thunderstorm on Monday and Tuesday to get us into the start of the work week with highs into the mid to upper 80s. Todd.
Thanks, Michael. Consumer news now. The summer rally continues today as